Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I dye my hair for the first time at home. If this is something that you are interested in, please consider to subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below. So let's jump right into the video. So let's start off with all the things that I'll be using for today's video. Firstly, I have here my hair dye that I got from Sally's. It's the Iron Color Brilliance hair dye, the semi-permanent hair dye in the shade black, my mixing bowl along with the brush, and also my Palmer's Formula Cocoa Butter Oil Formula protein pack here that I'll be using to do my protein treatment. And I'll make sure to list everything down below, including my Lotion shampoo and conditioner, and also my deep conditioning treatment. Make sure that you have your gloves ready to protect your fingers. I also have here 4 clips to section my hair off into 4 sections. I also have my detangling comb and my fine tooth comb right here. I will be using my vanity sink today to wash my hair, so I'm going to comb and detangle my hair to the front with my white tooth comb. Whenever using semi-permanent dye, make sure that you shampoo your hair once or twice before going in, because if you don't, the dye won't stick to the hair as it will with the permanent dye. So make sure that you go ahead and wash your hair first. And here I am sectioning off my hair into 4 sections to make it easier for me to do my dye application. So let's open this baby up and proceed to work. I went ahead and picked up 2 packages instead of 1, and I'm so happy that I went with it because the entire 2 did my whole entire head, so that's great. And make sure that you put on your gloves. Don't be a dum-dum like me. I was dumb for about 5 seconds until I caught up, so make sure to have your gloves on deck. To make the process a little bit easier for me, I'm just going to go ahead and base the entire root and my hairline with the dye. I'm going to go ahead and do this throughout my whole entire head and base both the top and the bottom section of each part outs that I have here, just to make the process a lot easier for me. When it comes to the back, the application process is easier when you have each section you parted out, bring it to the front and apply the dye to the bottom and top of each section. It makes the process really easy for you, so do that if you have to dye your hair yourself at home. After I am through with the entire section, I'm going to go ahead and dye the ends of my hair now and repeat this process throughout the entire sections. I made sure to coat both the top and the bottom of the hair. going to massage whatever dye I have left over into my hair to make sure that I coat the ends and all of the hair strands.
Weekends, I'll be in fools drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies.
When I was through with that, I made sure to place a shower cap on my head and use my hooded bonnet dryer for about 15 minutes or so on medium to low heat.
We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be.
So now I'm done with my hooded dryer. I'm going to wash out my hair with some lukewarm water to retain the dye into my hair. Make sure that the water is lukewarm or cold so that you can retain the dye. And I'm going to proceed to shampoo my hair twice with my Lotion shampoo. Make sure to go twice so that you get all of that residue out of your hair. This is how my hair looks after washing out the shampoo. I am loving the color that this fox dye gave me. I'm very impressed actually, so I'm happy about that. Now it's time to apply my protein treatment. This is one of my favorite protein treatment. I really love how it makes my hair feel and how strong it is. I went ahead and sectioned off my hair into 2 sections and applied the protein treatment throughout my hair. Place a shower cap on my head and sit under my hooded bonnet dryer for about 15 minutes on low heat. Make sure that when you are applying your protein treatment, you place emphasis on the ends of your hair. It's very vital for your hair. I'm going to wash out the protein treatment and proceed with my deep conditioning treatment. I made sure to sit under my hooded bonnet dryer for 20 minutes this time on low heat. Finally, it's time to wash out that deep conditioning treatment. I was over it after the first 10 minutes. So I am going to apply my conditioner and leave it in my hair for about 5 minutes or so and wash it out. This is a perfect time for you to detangle your hair whenever you're washing out the conditioner because you have a lot of sip to your hair. So I'll be detangling and proceed to blow dry my hair and style. Off camera, I made sure to detangle my hair and apply my mousse and leave-in conditioner along with my wrapping lotion or setting lotion. Now I'm just going to apply my Aphogee protein treatment along with my Patene heat protectant. Then I'll proceed with my Dyson hair dryer to blow dry my hair. And I follow up with my Dyson hair wrap using my firm and smooth brush. Then after, I will go ahead and flat iron my hair using my Conair flat iron.
Up to my knees, keep losing sleep. I'm manic dream at midnight, so hard to please. Drowning in my fears, it's like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. How to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker.
I am going to trim my hair ends after this process, but so far I'm loving the result that this box dye gave me. I did not even try the jet black, so I can just imagine the results. I'm loving this so far, and I'm so happy that I went with it. To retain the darkness of the color, I'm just going to make sure that I use the box dye every 2 months. But so far, I'm very impressed.
Keep losing sleep, I'm manic, dream at midnight. So hard to please.
So this is the final look after I trim my hands and bump the ends as well. I'm loving how shiny and healthy and strong my hair looks. I'm very pleased with the process. Thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much. See you in my next one. Bye.